Struggling to find subtitles on Coursera? You're not alone. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable and change them in under a minute. We'll cover two methods, using the settings icon and the transcript icon. Let's start with the settings icon. So first, head over to your lecture page on Coursera. This is where you'll actually be watching the video. Find the specific lecture you want to watch and go ahead and click into it. It doesn't matter what course you're in. The process is exactly the same across the whole platform. Now, look for the settings icon in the video player. It usually looks like a little gear or a cogwheel, and it's down in the bottom right corner of the video. Go ahead and click that. This opens up your video options. You'll see a menu pop up with a few different settings. What you want to find is the option that says Subtitles. Click on that. Now here's where things get good. You'll see an option to enable subtitles. Just click that, and immediately you should see the text appear at the bottom of your video.
This is great if you just want captions in the original language of the lecture. But let's say you want a different language. After you click Enable, you'll see a submenu pop up with a list of available languages. Look for English or whatever language you prefer and click on it. That sets the subtitle language. Then you'll probably see the language highlighted or selected. Go ahead and click on it one more time to confirm your choice. Sometimes it takes that extra click to lock it in. And just like that, your subtitles are set. So now that we've got that set up, let's move on to the alternative method using the transcript icon. This is really useful if you want to scroll through the text while the video is playing. Look over on the right side of the video player. You'll see an icon that looks like a small text box or a speech bubble with lines in it. That's the transcript icon. Give it a click. A transcript panel will slide out on the right side of your screen. At the top of that panel, there's a drop-down menu for selecting the language. Click on that drop-down. Just like before, you'll see a list of languages. Go ahead and pick your preferred language from the list. And that's it. Your transcript will now show in that language, and the subtitles on the video will match. And there you have it. From not being able to find the subtitle options at all, to being able to switch them on and change the language in just a few seconds. At AI Mastery, we spend a lot of time on these platforms, so we know how annoying it can be when something so simple feels impossible to find. Hopefully, this saves you a ton of frustration the next time you're watching a lecture. Happy learning!